The best thing about this conference, guys, was that everybody there wanted to be there. It was full of people in the room that were hungry for Jesus to be in their lives. Hey there. What's up, guys? I haven't seen you in a while. If you don't know me, my name is Phoebe Damaris, and this is the Gub House where everything in my life goes down. I hope that you are loving on yourself, leading yourself, and hanging out with eagles. Today I'm going to tell you about a conference I've just been on called Sounds of Glory. So this conference was so good. It was all about the prophetic, about worship, and it had some amazing speakers. We had Feucht.
Lord, we raise our expectations. We raise our expectations this morning. We start, God, with big dreams and big expectations.
We had Julian Adams. And we had Phil with you.
And you can have as much of God as you want. You can have as much of God as you want.
So we travelled up to Bedford. It was really fun. We made a night of it. It was amazing. And I'm basically going to do my thing and give you some quotes. Can I just say, the best thing about this conference, right? The best thing about this conference was everybody there wanted to be there. So many people were singing out, lifting their hands up, worshipping God. They didn't want to settle to be a lukewarm cup of tea Christian. They wanted to be a hot, fiery, burning light. Everyone was so hungry. It was amazing. Feel it. You just walk in the room. As soon as worship started, we switched on. It was brilliant. You might not even know what you are praying for, but you are taking ground for someone else. You have a mandate to herald the return of the King. If you are the light of the world, why are you hiding? God has called you to make the grass greener where you are. Make that grass greener. What is the giant God has called you to topple? Pray from victory, not just for victory. You will reflect the world you live most in. You are the place where heaven meets earth. You are the place where heaven meets earth. You there. You are the place where heaven meets earth. You are the place where heaven meets earth. What is it like when the world interacts with you? The gospel of you is the first thing that people are going to see. This is amazing. A church should have a value system for creativity. Why are you settling for a trickle when you have access and authority to tsunamis? Woo! So thank you so much for watching this video. Sounds of Glory is a 2-day conference over in Bedford. My name is Phoebe Damaris, and I speak truth over your life. You are beautiful, you are a princess, you are worthy, you are gorgeous, and you are fiery. Go get a world changer. I love you, bye.